Well, it's 8 in the morning. It's quite a cold morning. The truck's been on for a couple of minutes now and still haven't got all the ice melted off everything. See back here too. Truck's about as clean as it's been in a long time. Took all kinds of stuff out. And Ashley's banging in the passenger seat.
Yep.
While I watch. So we're headed to go do a little bit of work. So I'm bringing her with me. You know we're going to be out in the cold, right?
Okay.
Like you're going to be standing outside. It's 25. We gotta go move some stuff, go drive the dump truck, stuff like that. So it's gonna be a fun day with it being this cold. She's getting stuff. So, oh, now she's getting my old jacket. My jacket. That's my jacket.
Sure is.
Look what she got.
No, that's my snack.
No, let me see. There's like 4 pieces in here. Why? Why would you have 4 little pieces? What is it, $5 for this?
Well, for 6 of them.
It's like $2 worth of jerky.
Yeah, but these, delicious.
Well, got stuck right there, right at the entrance. Pulled in, went to turn around and sunk it. It's gotta go way, the load's gotta go way back over there. You can't even see it. It's on the other side of the trailer. And I sunk it that fast, not even a little bit into it. So we're gonna have to change game plans here. We're gonna go get one more. Then you're gonna bring back the pickup truck. Then we're gonna go get the granite. Cause I sunk it. It wasn't even that bad. It was barely up to the rim, just not enough traction. This thing weighs too much. So we'll switch to the granite. Which is the dump truck, by the way. So then you'll bring back the pickup this time.
Yep.
And we'll see if I sink it again. Then technically, if I sink it again, we can use the granite to pull this out. So you'll have to go get a chain. If we sink it, we'll just get in the truck and we'll go get a chain and go get the granite, which is in the lowboy. Chain's in the lowboy.
I'll follow him to the pickup because I gotta go to the store.
Yeah. Yay, so much fun. We're supposed to do 22 loads a day and we're on 1. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock and we've done 1. And it's not even in the right spot, so it's like we did 0. Yay.
Very well because it's dark, but we're still out here working. It's 6:45 currently. We got the end dump stuck, so we had to get that unstuck and then get it back to the office. So we switched into the granite dump truck, but before we got into the dump truck, we had to fix, I guess it's the motor on the dump truck, the motor that works the tarp. So we had to replace that, which took forever. And then Brian had to go load the 315 on the pedal hitch and take that from the tire shop up to some job site in Dover, which is just kind of a little bit north of Russellville. I went home, let the dogs out, cooked dinner, and then he called me about 45 minutes ago, and I brought him dinner and decided to go for a ride with him. So we're gonna do this one last load and then probably head home, I would assume. But so yeah, I still have to go to the store as well. I got a lot to do at home tomorrow. So we're gonna finish this up, go dump it, pray we don't get stuck, and go home, work on the computer, get some sleep, go to the store, and then Brian has to get up and do this all day again. So we will see you tomorrow. Well, we got the other dump truck stuck. Couldn't get it pulled out with the Dodge, so we had to call Jared to come help us with the Chevy. Say hi, Jared.
Huh? Oh, hey.
Dodge wouldn't get it. Tires are just spinning. So I parked it back over there. Jared's here in his Chevy, the work Chevy. It can't get it, so his friend Ben is coming with his big Duramax diesel. So the Dodge can't pull it out. A Ford definitely can't pull it out. Gotta call on the Chevys. Don't tell Ben that. So here comes the Duramax.
Yeah. You got a long strap, let me go through it. I'm almost out. The right their pile.
Here we go. Oh! Well, that happened. Strap broke. Go. Got it. Jared's stuck. Wait.
Don't be the tears.
Man, Jared's stuck.
Dude, when it come up out of that hole, I about plowed that dump truck.
See anything, but that's Brian in the dump truck, Jared in front of me. We got it out 8:40. Finally heading home, but I don't know, we'll see what tomorrow brings and how it looks tomorrow. So I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.